Hi guys! No! Hi guys!
Hello,
It's Magdalena.
and Mona.
We are international educators currently living in Norway. In those hard times we are home and we hope that you are home as well and
Staying strong,
Staying
staying
strong.
healthy.
yes, because it's very important as well to stay home. So according to this we have an idea to show you how can you actually save or use the time that you have in a very efficient way, especially when you're a nail technician.
For this video, we prepared for you a simple and super fast nail design that you can easily train at home without using a lot of time, a lot of products, and like all of this cosmetic things that you have at your salon.
Yeah.
And you don't want to bring it home,
No.
obviously. Today you will need only 2 colors of gel polishes.
2 is minimum, one with a thick consistence and then the second with a thin consistence. That's the basic rule. Of course, if you will have more colors, then you can do more designs, right?
Up to you.
Up to you. We were thinking a lot. Damn, we were thinking a lot what to do today, what to show you today, and we decided to show SHARM EFFECT. The most simple, I think, one of the most simple designs, very fast but super beautiful design. You can easily do it in your salon after everything will be over and we can easily go out and work again. But now you have time to practice. What is the main rule to create a perfect SHARM EFFECT design? First, you need 2 gel polishes, one with thick consistence, the other one with thin consistence. The one with thick consistence you put first as a base of a layer, a color for a color layer, and then on a wet color, very important not to cure it before, you put a thin layer of a thin gel polish, creating a desired design. Basically that's it. That's how simple, how
Nothing more to add. How.
You need just one tool, one brush to fix this design. Another very important rule to work quite fast, because the design is creating sort of itself when you already put a first drop on a wet surface. It's important as well not to wait too long before the first and the last drop. Create a desired design and wait a bit until the product will melt in.
Let's make some nail art!
Yeah. Another design. Why different? Because you use top coats. Not colors, but top coats.
We are working on a wet top coat, the shiny one, with a drop of the matte top coat on a brush.
I hope you like it. If you
Thumbs
have any,
up!
Yes, please. And if you have any questions, just don't hesitate to contact us. Send us a message,
Comment
Comment,
below our video.
yeah, anything you want. We will help. We're ready and happy to help.
And we are waiting actually for your
your
feedback.
designs. Yes, just grab some basic stuff from the salon if you have salon clothes, and then bring it home. Work with it. You can create great, beautiful designs in a very short time using very little products.
Just don't waste the time.
No. Peace. Yes.
Perfect design for summer.
Yeah.
Irregular.
Frost. Yeah.
Freeze.
Frozen.
Window. You know how window looks like in the winter time? Do you remember this?
Same type.
Same technique. The same technique. What?
Why?
2 in 1.
Why another design?
Why?
Because
Why?
you use top coats.